The first half of any art or film school is spent learning the language, learning the artistic jargon that the way the people in your chosen medium speak with, learning their culture, learning the way they act, what they do. Then we spend 3/8 of our time completing projects and assignments with ultra narrow constraints. And then finally, in that last eighth of schooling, we're given a project with absolute creative freedom, a capstone. But the problem is we're like a caged bird with a teacher who's let the door open. Our instinct is not to fly out. Our instinct is to waddle over, pinch our beak on the handle and close it shut, and then tweet out something like, "I think you forgot you left this open." Because we're never taught how to create with no limits. And I think it's an ultra valuable skill that schools, that colleges are missing out on. I think we need a class that teaches us how to extract themes from our everyday life, how to turn the themes that we see in the great movies and books of our time and turn those into metaphors and convert them into something that's realistic to produce ourselves. I think what we need is a class that teaches us how to find our niche, how to find what we do ultra well that no one else can do. I don't mean your ability to write. Countless people can write. I want to learn, what can I write best about? I want a teacher to guide me, not to tell me what to do, not to confine my constraints. I want them to see what I produce and then push me on the right path. What I want is to not spend so much time learning the jargon and instead learn how open my boundaries are, how free the medium that I chose truly is. That's what I want to be taught.